On March 9th, 1697, over 250 Russians formed a grand embassy and set off for Europe. Among them was Peter the Great, 1672 to 1725, embarking on his first overseas journey as a reigning Tsar. The diplomatic aim of this mission was to strengthen ties between Russia and European nations and form an anti-Ottoman alliance. Another key goal was to learn advanced European naval and shipbuilding techniques to help establish a Russian fleet. Peter traveled in disguise under the alias Peter Mikhailov. Upon arriving in the Netherlands, he showed a strong interest in shipbuilding. He rented a house and began working as a carpenter, building ships with his own hands. However, within a few days, his true identity was discovered in Zaandam, a region in the Netherlands. Despite this, Peter continued his activities in Amsterdam. The influence of Peter's studies can still be seen today in Russian naval terminology. Words for galley, deck, sailor, and navigator, for example, all bear traces of his time in the Netherlands. His visit to England was no different. Peter maintained a deep interest in shipbuilding and visited British naval ports. However, the broader goal of forming an anti-Ottoman alliance by visiting the Netherlands, England, Austria, and the Holy Roman Empire ultimately came to nothing. The mission was cut short when Peter learned of a rebellion in Moscow and had to urgently return to Russia.